Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame, bringing you the heat, honey. I fix, I destroy, I neutralize. I'm back and unbothered and back to fix the country. Let's get it. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Sirame. Ntombi yaseGqeberha. And I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure ziyamporo. Ma, best believe if we are Yuruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
No, but no, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke ebane nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
But what is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what? Hi guys, how are you? I'm so sorry to ambush you guys. I've got a YouTube channel, right? And I go around asking couples questions. Is it okay if I ask you guys questions? Yeah, I'll just take 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
5.
No problem.
Alright, name?
Zanele.
Zanele and?
Sipiwe.
Sipiwe. How long have you guys been together?
It's not 2 years.
2 years. Still going strong.
Sorry?
Still going strong. The relationship is still nice.
Yeah.
Very happy. Okay, has they... So you take care of your person? Alright. What's that one thing you really like about him?
Oh, like unothando. Yazi. Yo, alright.
Yeah.
Alright.
Alright, what about you?
Yeah.
In every single way, yes. Every aspect. All right, but do you trust her though? Yeah, 100%.
100%.
Right, do you trust your person?
I am Temba because glad 2 years le. Next, so
yeah. How do you know? Have you ever gone through his phone? How do you know he's never done anything?
Oh, I check phone case.
Would you like to?
Yeah.
You would like to?
Yeah.
Sir?
Yeah, I check.
She can check it? Okay, are you guys sure? All right, let's face the sun. So, yes. All right, let me stand in between you guys. All right, cell phones, please. That was easy. All right, let's start with your phone. Okay. Do you have a password?
Yes.
Okay, please put it in. Do you think you guys are still going to be together after this? After we're done?
Yes.
You think so? Do you think we're still going to be together? You guys are still going to be together?
Yeah, because I cheating, so.
All right. Okay. Go to her WhatsApp, please. Okay. Type I love you. Okay, scroll. I don't see anything dodgy. Do you? Yeah. Okay, delete that and type I miss you.
Okay. I miss you. Okay.
Okay, scroll. Okay, she looks clean there.
Clean.
Okay. Delete and type thank you.
Okay.
If you see anything dodgy, let's just go into the
Nah,
chat.
ngibone next.
Yeah. Okay, delete. Type oh, morning after pill. Okay, scroll. Okay, there's nothing.
Nah, ngibone next.
All right, type delete and type babe.
Okay.
Hi, she's clean.
Nah, ngibone next.
All right, do you have Instagram or Facebook? You don't?
I don't.
Okay, clean. I'm gonna go through your phone now, okay? Are you fine?
Baby one.
Yeah,
All right, do you have a password?
yes, nah.
Okay, please put it in. All right. Okay, what's up, ne? Okay, type I love you. Okay, scroll. Oh, slow down, love. That's you, right?
Lerato.
All right, go into the chat. Who's Lerato?
Lerato.
Huh?
Lerato ngimazi mina Lerato.
She's on your phone. Don't know her, she's on your phone.
Eish.
And bekafoni yena izolo.
Mm.
Ubani Lerato?
Mhlawumbe ubhalelwe le cousin yami esendlini.
She uses your phone? Or he uses your phone?
Yeah, he uses my phone.
Really?
Andile.
Mm.
Yazi.
Go into media and see if they send each other pictures and stuff.
Ngasi isithombe sakhe.
Oh.
Ukusenda isithombe sakhe naked.
Ay.
Ungazozimangaza. Ayikho into ozimangazayo.
Because this is your phone.
Eish, yabona bayasiphazamisa labantu labo. Asambe baby.
No.
Asibashiye.
Yabona manje uzongihlanyisa lento yenzayo.
Asambe baby.
Uzongihlanyisa.
Yabona bazosilisa labantu labo. Asambe.
Ulerato kuqala.
Explainela baby. Asambe.
Explain now.
Asambe.
Explain now.
Sakhe.
Asambe.
Sifuna isithombe sakhe efonini
Asambe
yakho.
baby. Asambe.
Yo.
Cela sibashiye labantu labo.
Do you wanna?
Angisayina lapho siya khona. Ngicela ukuthi sifonele manje before sambu Lerato.
Oh, okay.
Ngikasimfonele.
Is it fine?
Mfonele.
Can I please have the phone?
Yo. Hayi. Umuntu ungamthembi shem.
Right. Thank you. So, Lerato is your cousin's girlfriend. Is that what you're saying?
So, yeah.
You think so? Oh, wow. Okay.
Yabo lento soqala ukuyenza.
Sithanda sami labantu bayasiphazamisa labo. Sendleleni asambe.
Please hold, Musa.
Bathi 5 minutes iphelile. It's late manje.
I said 10.
So ba lethi masiqeda ukufonela Lerato esho. Yo. Asiyami.
Ask her if she knows your man, right? Don't forget your man's name and how long they've been together and what she's doing with your man. Yeah, maybe the network is slow.
Hello.
Hello, ngikhuluma noLerato.
Yes, Lerato.
Ukhuluma noZanele. Lerato ngicela ukubuza yamazi uSiphiwe. Lerato, uyini noSiphiwe wena? Angikuzwa. No, indoda yakho kanjani? Ngoba uSiphiwe umuntu wami. Wena nicela nini ukuthandana noSiphiwe? Nicela nini ukuthandana noSiphiwe? Because mina sina 2 years sithandana. Wena uqhamukaphi? Waziwa kanjani kubo kwakhe ngoba mina bazi mina. Kahle kahle ubani Slim. Xohlwana nendoda yami sisi. Xohlwana nomuntu wami. Ngithi nizohlukana. Ngiyazi isithombe sakhe ngikwazi uhlala lapha. Okay, mina nawe sobonana ke. Mina nawe sohlangana. Okay, sobonana ke. Uqhubeke nje wena ngesiphiwo uzobona.
Lerato, talk to your man right now. Please talk to your man.
Lerato.
What do you have to say to Lerato?
Ubhizi angishithele.
Baby.
Yeah, you Rosal, basically. I want you to talk to Lerato.
So 2 years yonke. Ngihlele amahala shithi mina.
Lerato, hi.
Ngihlele amahala shithi mina.
Please talk to your man, Spiwe.
Ungale ukuthi babe ungibhora. Ungale ukuthi baby in. Baby in is people.
Wasiwa wena.
Yebo.
Kenzakalani lapho? Kenzakalani noboba lapho?
Ngihleli nomuntu wami manje ish.
Nomuntu mina ngiyini kuwe.
Umuntu wami uZanele.
Mina bese ngiba yini kuwe ke mawungitshela ngoZanele mina ngiyini kuwe ngicela ukubuza.
Ngithi siqeda ukuhlangana mina nawe ngithi.
Hayibo, wena ungitshela ukuthi ngiyathanda nje?
Ngishilo vele.
Kahle kahle Slim ubani? Uba iSlim yini?
Islima nguwe girl, nguwe Islima.
Okuhlunga khona ukuthi ngeke ngize ngihlukane naleyo ndoda wentombazane. Ngiyangihluka. Yazi wena babe ngihlukane mina nawe ngicela. Ngeke nje ngihlala amantombazane mina.
Okay. Sobona ke.
Yeah.
Yes, elami nawe.
Spiwe, you've got nothing to say. You've got nothing to say.
Ngixakekile manje yabona ngixakekisa
You've got
manje
nothing to say.
manje ngihamba nomuntu wami
You've got nothing to
ngiyangiphazamisa
say.
endleleni
You've got
manje.
nothing to say.
Excuse baby.
You know what? Are you gonna
Ngijwayela kabi.
you staying with him?
Lapho kuleyo mall leya ngisayini nokuya
babe,
futhi. Hambe kule kade umfazi wakho. Asho le kade uyobalekile kunami.
Ake inzima ngithi asaba.
Umfazi wakho.
So are you gonna stay with him?
Yo.
And fight Lerato?
Uyamthanda Lerato?
Ngithanda wena ngithi sithando sami.
Mara wayenza
Uyazi ngithanda wena baby.
uyazi ukuthi ngiyakuthanda but ungenza so and Siphiwe ukuthi umtshele manje
Man asihlukane nalabantu asibashiye.
I do want to tell her that I'm full.
samfuni bese mina nawe soqhubeka.
Are you willing to do that?
Baby.
Yes, Spiwe, you don't want to. You don't want to. You don't want to. Spiwe, you don't want to.
Phasi kwami neLerato.
Ngikhetha wena sithando sami.
Then dump her.
Mfonele
Then dump her.
manje.
Please put in the postcode.
Mara baby. Asame
You
sishiye
don't,
labantu.
you don't want to dump. You don't want to dump Lerato.
Ashiye labantu
Okay,
baby.
ngcono khambe mina ke.
Baby.
Ngcono ngihambe ngibuyele emuva.
Ngiyacela baby.
Hima, who do you want here? Because you don't want to dump Lerato. So what's happening?
Ngifuna ukuba noZanele.
Then dump Lerato. And she's just asked you to dump Lerato. What's the problem?
Okay, ngithi askis baby. Askis. Labona labantu bayasiphazamisa laba.
NeLerato to.
Bayamfonela ngithi. Baby, asame.
Ngiphathisa ngestress nje.
Asame baby, sokwenza izinto zethu sihlukane nalabantu laba.
Before samba tshela Lerato.
Lerato,
Yebo.
Hello.
it's Spiwe again.
Yebo.
Hayi sizongimoshela umshado la wena sisi.
Yazini lalela qhubeka nale ntombazane qhubeka it's fine.
Uzoqhubeka vele ngoba umuntu wami girl. Bye bye.
Nawe uyalwa.
Drop. Bye. Uphume kithi. Usimoshela into zethu, simoshela umshado wethu. Hayi, fuck off.
Bye.
Sana uSpiwe.
Bye.
You have the guts to cheat, but you don't have the guts to talk. Baby. So it's over between you and Lerato?
Kuphelile manje.
Okay, guys, you guys are staying together. Yes. All right. You did say you guys are still going to be together after this. So good luck with everything. You guys can go. Okay. I'm sorry to ruin your day.
Okay, it's kind of baby.
Yo. Hi, Sunny. My name is Lisa Sirami. I brought you the heat, honey. Do follow me on Instagram, Lisa Sirami _honey. See you later. Sanibonani Dumelang Mzansi. Welcome to CMTV and yet another episode of Niyathembana. Do you trust each other? My name, of course, is Lisa Siram Ntombi Yaseqebecha, and I go around these streets testing your loyalty, and in the process, of course, I make sure Ziyamporo ma. Best believe if we are you, Ruza, I will find you. Stay tuned. It's about to go bananas.
Siyayibona into yenzayo.
No, but nenga.
No, manje usukhipha impilo yami uyibeke bane nobala. So yini inkinga yakho kani? Mawuthatha i-private life yami uyibeka la. Why ufuna ngabi nemfihlo?
What is Vanessa? She's a baby mama and what?